Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Circus cookie ice cream cake. Let's start off with our ingredients. First you're going to need 2 cups of the Circus animal cookie crumbs. So I just got 2 of these 9-ounce packages. You'll use 1 for the crust plus a couple more cookies. That should make your 2 heaping cups. And then 2 tablespoons of butter. For the layers you're going to need a 1.75 quart of some kind of ice cream. You could use vanilla, but taste tester wanted strawberry, and this is his birthday cake, so strawberry it is. Then we need 8 ounces of white chocolate, so you could use the wafers or the white chocolate chips, whatever you want. I'm using the almond bark. A tablespoon of heavy whipping cream, a tablespoon of some kind of oil. I'm using vegetable oil. Then you're going to need another cup of the crushed up Circus animal crackers, which you'll have plenty for that if you buy the 2 9-ounce packages. A package of an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip, and then if you want additional Cool Whip for just decorations, and if you want sprinkles for decorations. In this bowl I have 2 heaping cups of the crushed up Circus cookies, and that was 1 9-ounce bag, and then I did do a few cookies from my second bag. And you just want to go ahead and spray your springform pan with cooking spray. Melt your 2 tablespoons of butter, and we're just going to add that to our 2 cups of crushed up cookies to make our crust. That looks great. So now I am going to cover this and put this in the freezer for 24 hours. My crust just came out of the freezer. It's been in there for 24 hours. So now I have my ice cream and it's been defrosting, and I am going to go ahead and add 3.5 cups, and you want it to be really soft, on top of this layer. That looks great. So we are going to go ahead and pop that back into the freezer until it's firm. Next you want to go ahead and process your additional cup of your Circus animal cookies, and then in a large microwavable safe bowl you want to heat up your white chocolate in 30-second increments until it's nice and smooth. And then we are going to go ahead and add our Circus cookies into our white chocolate along with the oil and heavy whipping cream. Here's what it should look like. It's going to be a really thick ganache. Now I removed my cake from the freezer, and I'm just going to spread that over top of this layer. Okay, that layer has been spread. I spread mine as best I could. Maybe if you leave yours in the freezer a little longer, it won't melt so quickly. But that looks fine because it's going to be covered by an additional layer. For our final layer on our cake, we are going to use the rest of our softened ice cream and our 8 ounces of Cool Whip, and we're just going to mix that together with a spatula until it's nice and combined, and then layer it on top. That looks great. So now I am going to cover this back up and put it in the freezer 4 hours to overnight. The cake is out of the freezer, and I just removed the outer edge, and then I just crushed up the rest of our Circus cookies on top. And now let's see what Taste Tester thinks. We've got a nice piece here for Taste Tester. Let's see what he thinks. Hey Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Yeah, everyone. Good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone. Come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Happy birthday!